How are you all? I am your computer teacher Chaitra. So last class we discussed about the natural things and the man-made things, right? Hope you understood the concepts. What are the natural things? The things which are available in the nature are called as natural things, and the things which are man-made are called as man-made things, and they are the machines. Then we learnt about type of machine. So computer is also a machine. Then types of machines which run on electricity, machines which run on fuel, and machines which require human power. So all these were given in the last class. So now we are continuing with the chapter 2, that is story of a computer, part A. So in part A we are going to learn about the story of computer parts, mouse and keyboard. So I'll just continue with the part B in the next video, that is CPU, monitor and exercises behind your textbook. So shall we start with the story of the computer now? How a computer was formed, part A. See, the teacher is telling here, let us see children how a computer is formed. Yes, computer is a man-made thing. It makes our work very easier. Then yes, computer is also a machine. So all these things were discussed in the last class. Now, let me come to some of the keywords. These words are very important. Please learn these words, children. First word is computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Second word is keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Third is mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Then fourth is CPU. C-P-U. Next, fifth is monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Next, sixth is parts of computer. P-A-R-T-S-O-F-C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Next is keys. K-E-Y-S, keys. Then eighth word is alphabetic keys. A-L-P-H-A-B-E-T-I-C-K-E-Y-S, alphabetic keys. Next, ninth is numeric keys. N-U-M-E-R-I-C-K-E-Y-S, numeric keys. Then 10th is letters. L-E-T-T-E-R-S, letters. Next, 11th is draw pictures. D-R-A-W-P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S. Next is buttons. B-U-T-T-O-N-S, buttons. Next, 13th word is wheels. W-H-E-E-L-S, wheels. Next, 14th is mouse pad. M-O-U-S-E-P-A-D. Next, 15th is point. P-O-I-N-T. So there are 15 keywords children have given to you. So please try to practice these words. No need to write. You can just learn the keywords. So shall we start now? Yeah. A small story on four friends. We'll just discuss a story how the computer was formed. One day in a jungle, there was a friend by name CPU. Can you just see the CPU image, children, here? So this is a CPU. Was lost the way. Yes, one day in a jungle, he has lost the way. Now he is going alone in the jungle to find how to come out of the jungle. The CPU is finding a way. Next, CPU continues to walk alone in the jungle. Then one more friend by name Monitor, M-O-N-I-T-O-R, Monitor, joins him. Come, let us go together. The monitor says, come, let us go together. Then after some time walking, they find one more friend called Mouse. They see the mouse coming in the bicycle. So the mouse is coming and it is showing stop board here. Mouse asks them to stop and asks, shall I join with you to find the way out of this jungle? Then what the monitor and the CPU said? Yes, friend, come, you also join. Next, CPU and monitor said to the mouse, please join us, we will find the way easily to go out. After some time, they found out one more friend, which is keyboard. So keyboard came and asked, shall I join? Yes, we will all work out to find the way out, okay, from the jungle. So then all joined, all these four joined. That is CPU, monitor, mouse and the keyboard. all joined and they formed a computer and they came out of the jungle. Next, all four friends together formed a powerful machine called as computer. Children, can you just see the computer image here? There is CPU, there is monitor, this is mouse and this is the keyboard. So who are all the four friends here? Monitor, CPU, mouse and the keyboard. Together they will form, it is computer. This is your computer. What is the spelling of computer? COMPUTER. So see the spellings, children. Learn the spellings. They are called as parts of computer. Now tell me which are the parts of computer. It is monitor, CPU, mouse and the keyboard. There are main four parts of the computer. Next. So again one more is their computer parts. You can see the monitor here laughing. Then this is the CPU, this is the mouse and this is the keyboard. All together will form our computer. And without each other, this CPU won't work with monitor without monitor and keyboard. Similarly, the monitor doesn't work without keyboard and mouse and the CPU. So all these are interconnected. So each other requires each other. So all these, so they are known as the parts of the computer. So everything will form a whole computer. Now let us see one by one of these parts one by one. So in this video we are going to learn about the keyboard and the mouse, which is the basic part. So shall we continue with the keyboard? Yeah. Keyboard looks like a piano. Children, have you seen piano here? There is a piano image. So for the music we use piano, right? It has some keys here. So similarly our keyboard is also having some keys here. So they are both look like similar. It has small buttons called as keys. Yeah, all these are called as keys. Keyboard is used to write letters and numbers. You know letters, right? What are all letters? And numbers. You know numbers, right? Numbers. Yeah, 0 to 9. So letters consist of alphabets A to Z. You know alphabets, right? There are 26 alphabets, that is A to Z alphabet. So the keys which show the alphabetic letters are called as alphabetic keys. The keys which show the numbers from 0 to 9 are called as numeric keys. So 0 to 9, if you want to press 10, you have to press 1 and then 0. So there is no key like 10. It is having only keys from 0 to 9. So alphabetic keys are used to type letters, name and school. So your name, your school name, then address, everything is typed using this alphabetic key. Numeric keys are used to type phone numbers, your age, etc. So for phone numbers we can't use the alphabetic key. So we have to use the number key. So here I have shown here. These are the number key. This whole thing will form numeric keys. Not 4. You should not write 4 here. Whole from 0 to 9 will form the numeric keys. Whole this is numeric keys. And all these are alphabetic key. Can you just see the alphabets here? Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P, A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, A, Z, X, C, V, B, N, M. So all these will form the alphabetic keys. Fine. So if I ask what is this key, you should not say F or G. You should say it is alphabetic keys. So all this will form a alphabetic key and whole of this will form numeric keys. Yeah, next we'll continue with the mouse. Can you just see the mouse? Yeah, everybody knows what is a mouse. Mouse is a rat which looks similar to our computer mouse. Is it? Yes, which looks similar to our computer mouse. But this is also a mouse, a rat, or even we have a computer mouse. The features are similar. Mouse look like a rat with a tail. Can you see the tail which is connected to the CPU? Even the computer mouse is also having the tail. Even our mouse, computer mouse, is also having a tail. It has two small buttons and a wheel. There are two small buttons and a wheel in the center. Mouse is used to point on the screen and draw pictures. So mouse is used to point on the screen, that is on the monitor. We'll discuss in the next class, and draw pictures. So children, you like to draw pictures, right? So with using mouse, we can draw the pictures on the monitor or on the screen. Mouse is placed on the pad while working, called as mouse pad. So it is placed on a pad. There is a pad underneath which is called as mouse pad. Next, can you just see here? I have labeled the parts here. So these are the two buttons, and the center one is called as scroll wheel or wheel. Then this is the mouse tail which is attached to the CPU. This is mouse tail. MOUSETAIL to BUTTONS SCROLL WHEEL. SCROLL WHEEL, that is scroll wheel. So I have given you a nice and small activity, children. So write the names of the parts shown below. So you have to write the parts name here. So what is this, what is this, and what is this? So identify which are the parts of the computer and circle it. You should tell me which are the parts of computer and then circle it. CPU, key, rat, PUC, board, keyboard, mouse, blackboard, phone, speaker, cat, printer, cupboard, cooker, pen. You should tell me which are all the parts of computer, and you should not circle which are all not parts of computer. You should only circle which are the parts of computer. So thank you, children. Have a good day. Stay happy, safe and healthy. So we will continue with the part B in the next class. Thank you.